Monaco is a stunning and exotic European country. Situated on the French Riviera, this country is surrounded by France on one side and touches the Mediterranean Sea on the other side. With an area of just above 2 square kilometers, there are some gleaming places to visit in Monaco on your next trip to this destination. Monaco is among the top tourist destinations in Europe for the city's charm, its glamour and tantalizing beauty. Abode of some of the richest people in Europe, the city is also a top destination for casino lovers from all over the world. Famous for its luxurious and opulent lifestyle, this fascinating country is also home to some incredible natural landscapes, brilliant architectural monuments and incredibly captivating tourist attractions. 1. Prince's Palace of Monaco. This luxurious palace is the official address of the Prince of Monaco. This palace has stood tall with an incredible history and heritage. The whole palace garden is alluring and beautiful. One of the best things to experience here is the breathtaking change of guard ceremony which happens every day. The whole place is very elegant and sparkling. The views from the palace are amazing and breathtaking. The palace has seen quite some action and attacks in its glorious past. This iconic place also houses a delightful garden and a wondrous church on its campus. 2. Monaco Naval Museum. This is a fascinating museum featuring small models of some of the prominent and historical significance and popular sea vessels and ships. The museum was opened for public in the early 1990s. The museum houses the models for world-famous Titanic and Nimitz ships. Nimitz is one of the biggest military ships in the world. There is an entry fee of €12 for seeing this intriguing museum. There are models of the ship which are as old as the 16th century. The models are from the ship's world over and it is a must-visit place if sea ships are something that intrigue you. The museum houses more than 250 exhibits of ships here. 3. Monaco Harbor. Monaco Harbor is home to some of the most glamorous and glittering yachts you can find in the world. This harbor is surrounded by enchanting mountains and cliffs which makes the place amazingly beautiful and entrancing. Port de la Condamine, which is what this harbor in Monaco called, is also home to the private yachts of the Prince of Monaco. This also houses some smashing yachts owned by the millionaires living in this rapturous country. 4. Casino Square. Casino Square is one of the most startling and shimmering places to visit in Monaco. This square is the go-to place for the wealthiest in Monaco and the casino lovers from over the world. The square will greet you with sights of some of the most avant-garde and luxurious cars you can find in the world, including the top models from Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Land Rover and many more. This sparkling place is home to few of the most popular casinos in the world, including Casino Monte Carlo. This is the place which also featured in James Bond and other Hollywood movies. 5. Fort Antoine. Fort Antoine is a historic 18th century fort and an intriguing piece of architecture. This architectural marvel is situated near the seashore and on a little elevation. The views of the city of Monaco and the sea from here are incredible and perfect for clicking photos. One would also be able to have glimpses of the famous F1 circuit of Monaco from this place. This old fort has now been converted into an open-air theater. This theater hosts some awe-inspiring theatrical performances in the summertime. 6. Gateway to Rock. Gateway to Rock is a popular historical landmark in the city of Monaco. This place is popular among tourists for its incredible and heavenly scenic views of Monaco city and harbor. Situated on a mountain cliff, this ravishing place is a must-visit one. These glorious gateways were built in the 15th century and are an architectural marvel. The gateway leads to the famous Palace of Monaco, the Place du Palais. 7. Montego Mon Eagle is a hilly neighborhood situated near the border with France on the mountain range of Maritime Alps between Monaco and France. Mont Eagle is the popular and the highest cliff on this incredible mountain range. Situated right at the border, a part of this cliff lies in France. This is also the highest mountain in Monaco. Mont Eagle is home to a beautiful village away from the hustle-bustle of Monaco. This old village is still untouched by modern development and commercialization and is home to the raw old beauty of this place. This unspoiled village is situated in a paradisiacal location surrounded by mountains and lush green natural beauty. The city views from Mont Eagle are simply breathtaking and scintillating. The highest point of Mont Eagle is more than 1,100 meters above sea level. 8. Japanese Garden Monaco. This is a huge, incredibly beautiful and awe-inspiring garden in Monaco. Extremely well-maintained and beautifully created. This garden is unique and is simply ravishing. This huge garden is full of exotic flowers, fish and plants. Lush green Japanese-style garden is one of the top tourist attractions here in this country. A perfect place for an evening stroll and relax in a riveting surroundings. 9. Jardin Exotique de Monaco. This is an exotic garden and an incredibly popular garden in Monaco. The garden is full of exotic plants and flora. The garden houses some incredible enthralling caves to explore. Delightful place full of picturesque and alluring spots to click your photographs amidst nature's beauty. The views are amazing from this elevated garden. One would have riveting views of the enticing sea and shimmering Monte Carlo from the garden area. So, which one is your favorite?